Hello, everybody, and welcome to this week's episode of Blue Suit News. Today, I wanted to talk a little bit about what we call elder law or long-term care planning. It's a specific area of estate planning in which we are trying to help families plan for the future and help them make sure that they can qualify for Medicaid if they need it. This is very typical for people with degenerative conditions, diagnosis, and they know that they're going to need full-time treatment, and they don't have the funds necessarily to be able to afford that treatment. The average cost to have to reside in a assisted living facility, nursing care facility, is about $7,000 a month, which is way above what most people have and can afford. However, to qualify for Medicaid, there are a couple of different things that you have to overcome. Generally speaking, there is an asset limit that you have to meet. You can't have more than $2,000 in assets as the applicant. Now, if you're married, your spouse can have more, and it varies from state to state, but generally speaking, that $2,000 number is very important. And then you can't make above a certain amount of money per year. And that's broken down on a monthly basis, and those numbers adjust from year to year. They're typically listed on the government websites. In Texas, it's the Health and Human Services Department. So it's usually only a couple $1,000s. So what do? Well, you need to plan to make sure that your assets are under the limit and that your income is under the limit. There are a couple of different tactics and techniques that can be used in planning, such as Miller trusts, also known as a qualified income trust, Medicaid asset protection trusts, and there are spend down techniques that can be used so you don't disqualify yourself. Because a lot of people think, I'll just give away my assets. Well, if you make a gift, it starts what's called a 60-month look-back period. And it can disqualify you from Medicaid if you make a gift during that time period. So it's retrospective from the date that you apply for Medicaid. So if you make a gift within that 60-month period, you may disqualify yourself. So it's important that you meet with an educated and experienced elder law attorney to help you navigate the very complicated maze that is Medicaid law. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Have a great day.